Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to view archived emails in the Gmail app for 2025. If you've ever accidentally archived an email and then spent ages hunting for it, this quick guide is for you. Archiving is a great way to keep your inbox clutter-free, but accessing those hidden gems can be tricky if you don't know the steps. Let's jump right in. First, ensure your Gmail app is updated to the latest 2025 version for the smoothest experience. This might include new interface tweaks for easier navigation. Start by opening the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll land on your main inbox screen. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon, those three horizontal lines usually in the top left or top right corner. This opens a sidebar with various options. Scroll down until you spot All Mail or directly Archived. In the 2025 update, Gmail has made this section more prominent for quick access. Once you're in the All Mail view, you'll see all your emails, including the archived ones. Archived emails are essentially moved out of your inbox but not deleted, so they're still there waiting for you. To find a specific email, use the search bar at the top. Just type in keywords like the sender's name or subject, and Gmail's powerful search will do the rest. If you need to bring an email back to your inbox, open it from the list and look for the Move to Inbox option. It's often an icon that looks like a folder. Tap it and voila, your email is unarchived. One quick tip: to avoid archiving emails by mistake, double-check before swiping or tapping the archive button. This feature is a lifesaver for organization, but always keep an eye on what you're archiving. And there you have it. Viewing archived emails in Gmail is straightforward once you know the ropes. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.